Timebucks review. Is this GPT site legit or a scam? I'm going to tell you whether Timebucks is worth your time or just another scam. Timebucks is a get paid to or GPT site where you can earn by taking surveys, watching videos, clicking ads, and more. It's free to join, and they pay via PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift cards with a $10 minimum payout. But here's the problem: earnings are low. Most tasks pay cents, so you'll need a lot of time to make anything worthwhile. Some users also report account bans and missing payments, which raises red flags. So, is Timebox legit? Yeah, but it's not a good way to make real money. If you're looking for a quick cash, this isn't it.